Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and you're watching Disney Channel. What the heck is up? My name is Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and today we are learning a combo. This is actually the first combo I ever made, and you can see me land it for the first time on Instagram 2 years back. So it's a pretty beginner combo. There are some classic beginner tricks in there, so I will break those down a little bit, but today I'm going to walk you through the combo, and if you have questions, you can ask them in the comments. Cool, let's do it. Okay, a lot of my beginner combos start with a pinwheel, so that is like a trapeze, but you miss. And I do the pinwheel 3 times and then I land it. So that is how we start the combo. If you want to see what the finger's doing, it's just kind of bouncing up and down, swinging the yo-yo around. You can do this as many times as you want. Again, I just do it 3 times and then land it, land it on the string like that. So 1, 2, 3, land. So the next part after the 1, 2, 3 land is a trapeze and brother. Now I've always cheated on the trapeze and brother. When you throw it, you're supposed to go directly off your middle finger and then swing it around. However, for accuracy purposes, I've always gone like this and spread out with my thumb just so I have some spacing. So you can do whatever. The technical way is to just use your middle finger, but that's just a tip that I had when I was learning this combo. So trapeze brother looks like this, okay? So you land the trapeze, kick it off over your middle finger, and then land it like a trapeze on the other side. The way that I kind of cheat trapeze, I kind of hook it with my thumb, and then land it, whatever you want to do. This is what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, land. Okay, that's the first part. So after we do that, we land in a double or nothing off of the trapeze and brother and go into the matrix, which looks like this. Okay, so to do that, you just pull this throw hand finger out, flip this over, follow with your non-throw hand, and then shoot it out. Go back into the double or nothing. Okay, so all together. Do it slow. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Double or nothing. Matrix. And it ends in a double or nothing again, like that. Okay, and then we go into the next part. So at this point, you've just finished your matrix. So you drop, flip, out and on. Okay, you're in a double or nothing. You're gonna do a cold fusion. Okay. So cold fusion is a trick that we start in a double or nothing. We pick it up and place it on the string, slide it down. Pick it up, place it on the string, slide it down. Okay. Then we roll it this way, roll it twice this way, and then roll it out into a trapeze. So you're going into cold fusion after the matrix. So we've got the 2 hits for the trapeze brother matrix, and then boom, there's the cold fusion right there, and land. The last 2 tricks in this combo are skin the gerbil and an Eli hop. I've been taught skin the gerbil in different ways, so I'll just show you how I know how to do it, and how it's worked into the combo. If you know a different way, awesome. So here's how I know skin the gerbil. It looks like this. Okay, and then you would bind from there, except we're going to end in an Eli hop. So the way you do that, 2 flips towards yourself, and you can push them too. I've seen a few variations, but 2 flips towards yourself and then land in a trapeze. Okay, watch your string at this point. If it bunches up, it's going to bind, so just watch where you're placing your hands and how the string's moving. Okay, so after you do your 2 flips, hit, you're going to roll the yo-yo off, pass this hand over, flip it out, and then do the trapeze brother type move. So that's the second part of the trick. 1, 2, hit, and then then you swing off, miss in the front, and then land it, and then swing out. And that's how I know how to do skin the gerbil. So after you do this skin the gerbil, however you know how, you're gonna roll out and you're gonna be in a trapeze, and you're just gonna do an Eli hop and bind. That's the full combo. So let's put it together. Oh That's the full combo. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have questions, please ask them. Merch, social media, team info, all in the description below. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. And thank y'all so much for subscribing. I'm Yoyo. I really am Yoyo Superstar.